Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a very simple magic card trick just using a regular deck of cards. And it's almost self-working. So what you do is you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, and they are all really mixed up. And then what you can do is you can have the spectator just go ahead and cut off any amount of cards that they want. And then you explain to the spectator that you'll know the fourth card from the top of this pile by looking at the fourth card from the top of this pile. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, look at the fourth card, and I can tell that the fourth card from this pile is gonna be the King of Diamonds. So watch this, if I deal down 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, that's the King of Diamonds. Now we can do it again. You can shuffle the cards, well mixed, well shuffled, as many times as you want, it really doesn't matter. Okay, shuffle the cards over and over again, and then now you have the spectator just go ahead and cut the cards again from this pile and just say you can peek for the fourth card from this pile is going to tell you what card is the fourth one down from this pile. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, look at that card, and then you know that this card fourth down from the top is going to be the Ace of Clubs. You just count down 1, 2, 3, 4, and look at that. That's the Ace of Clubs. And it works over and over and over again. Watch, you can give the cards another shuffle, have the spectator cut the deck one more time, just like that, and then you can peek at the fourth card, and that's going to tell you that yes, the fourth card down from this pile is going to be the Three of Spades. Watch this, 1, 2, 3, 4, the Three of Spades, and that's the power of 4. And it's very easy to do, and it's almost self-working, and you can do it as many times as you want, blah, 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 no setup, etc. But before I tell you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps this channel out, really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel member, John Clare. He is a longtime channel member. I appreciate you, buddy. And if you guys want to join the channel membership, just go ahead and click on the button below for YouTube, and it'll give you all the details there. Also, I'd like to mention that we do have the 2024 Magic Calendars ready to ship out. These are very nice and beautiful. I had these made last year and they were a big hit, so once again they are available, and it's a 12-month calendar, January to December. No dates on the calendar, so it's perfect wherever you are, and you can get one of these at thebestmagicshop.com, okay?
Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic.
Okay, and now for the tutorial, the power of 4. It's a regular deck of cards. There's no setup required at all. It's well mixed, you can shuffle it, well mixed, well shuffled. It's just a completely normal deck of cards. There's no setup. The only thing is that you just want to remember the fourth card from the top, okay? So in this case, the 9 of Clubs, that's the card that you'll remember. Now you can take these cards and you can shuffle them as many times as you want, as long as you don't shuffle those last 4 cards, okay? Keeping the 9 of Clubs in the fourth position. Now, you can shuffle over and over and over again. Every time I'm doing that, I'm keeping the 9 of Clubs in the fourth card position from the top. Now you can once you do that, you have the spectator cut the cards and you say, I'm just gonna peek at the fourth one down from this, and it's gonna tell me what the fourth card down from this is. So you just count down 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. You look at this card, it's the 2 of Hearts. It really means nothing at this point. You know the fourth card down from the top is gonna be the 9 of Clubs. You don't show the spectator this card, the 2 of Hearts. You just look at it like it's gonna tell you something, but you do remember that's the 2 of Hearts if you wanna do this again, because you say the fourth card down now is the 9 of Clubs, because that was the fourth one from the top that you kept at the top, and boom, that'll be the 9 of Clubs. Now the spectator thinks that you're looking at the fourth one down and it's telling you what this is, but it really isn't. What it's doing is you peeked at that 2 of Hearts, so now if you do it again, put these cards on top, the fourth card down now is the 2 of Hearts, and if you give the cards a shuffle and keep those 4 cards on top, okay, like that, don't mess up like I almost did, then you know the fourth card down now is the 2 of Hearts. You can repeat this over and over and over again. You say, I'm gonna look the fourth card down of this pile, and it's gonna tell me what card is the fourth one down from here. You already know the fourth card down is the 2 of Hearts. You're gonna peek at this card here, which happens to be the King of Diamonds. You just put it back down here. You say that this card told me that this card's gonna be the 2 of Hearts, count down 4 cards, and boom, there's the 2 of Hearts. So the next time you do it, you're gonna find the King of Diamonds is gonna be fourth from the top, okay? Because you just looked at the fourth card down, which is the King of Diamonds, and you can give it another, you know, it's almost not a real fake shuffle, but you're just keeping the top 4 cards on top as you shuffle, okay? I'm doing a lot more just to kind of exaggerate it, okay? So you're just doing that. That's the only move you have to do for this trick. It's really easy, really simple. You know the 4th card down is the king of diamonds. Have them cut the cards again. Say, I'm gonna, you know, this 4th card is gonna tell me what your, you know, your card is. It really means nothing, but the next, if you wanted to do it again, the next card would be the ace of clubs. You say that this card told me that this is gonna be the king of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, just like that, over and over and over again. You can do it as many times as you want. However, I think 2 or 3 times is just enough, okay? And so that's the power of 4. Very easy to do. It's a simple trick. All you're memorizing is the 4th card from the top, doing a little fake shuffling. You know, they're not really false shuffles. It's just kind of fake shuffling, keeping those 4 cards on the top. And you can do this over and over and over again, okay? Let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. It's a really fun trick. It does fool people, and it's very easy to do, and you can do it impromptu with a borrowed deck as long as you just know the 4th card down from the top, okay? And let me know what you think. Leave in the comments below, and until next time.